Pizza pizza! Today I'm making pizza monkey bread, and who doesn't like pizza? You can customize it into any way you want. So my name is Preheat, and I'm gonna get started right now. Hang on. Actually, it was this way. Ah, that basil smells so good. This step is very important. I'm using a springform pan, but you can use a Bundt pan, and we have to grease it. You can either spray it, you can use butter, or I'm gonna use oil. Because if you don't do this step, everything's gonna stick and you're gonna have to throw it away. I also decided to cut a piece of parchment paper and put that down on the bottom just for extra protection. So this is gonna take a few minutes, but it's definitely worth the effort. So I put oil all inside the springform pan. And what I'm going to use, since I don't have a Bundt pan, I have this little bowl or cup, and I've inverted it, and I've also wiped oil on that, because what we're going to do is we're going to cut up our biscuits and put it all around the outside of that cup side. Yes, using grands. I'm using the original. Let's see if I can get it. Yep.
Nice.
You like that, huh? Okay. I'm going to take them out. Actually, I'm going to take that cutting board right there. Thank you. Okay. Set them out on the cutting board. So this appetizer, I feel, will serve about 6 to 8. It might become our dinner tonight.
I'm counting on it.
Oh, yeah. You might get hungry, though, waiting for it in the oven. I've preheated the oven to 350.
How long should this take from start to finish?
Oh, good question. I need to check that. I forgot. Okay, ready? I think maybe 40 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes.
That's good.
Like it said. Now, near the end, like about the last 10 minutes, I recommend putting foil over it so that the bread or the biscuits don't burn. You don't want the edges to burn. Okay, so I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut it into fourths and then just put it aside. I'm going to do that with all of them. This is...
We used to hang around town pretty late. I spent the week thinking about our next day. It was easier then. So much easier then.
Okay. I like to separate them too, so that hopefully you get a piece of pepperoni in every bite. The oven's preheated to 350 and it's ready. Our next step is I've got 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and I'm going to pour that on. And we're going to add our seasonings and our cheese. And I did double check it. It's 35 to 40 minutes. But again, for the last 10 minutes, you need to cover the biscuits so they don't burn. So we have Italian seasoning. Garlic powder. Garlic salt, and then crushed red pepper. It's totally optional. Okay, that's how much I put in there.
Come on, put some more in.
You want more than that? Okay.
With a good Italian sprinkle.
Ooh, okay. let me put in what I've already got. I don't want it too spicy.
You know I like pepper.
Yeah, but this is crushed red pepper. All right, how's that?
That's good.
Okay. We have our Parmesan cheese. And our mozzarella cheese. Okay, well, it's sticking in the bowl. How's it going?
Sticking together.
It's going pretty good now. It looks good. Okay, now we're going to put it into either your Bundt pan or your springform pan. Okay, let's try 35. And now we wait. I have balled up here fresh parsley, which I'm going to chop, which is going to go on the pizza monkey dish. I can't think of it.
Bread.
Pizza monkey bread, yes. So fresh parsley. After it comes out of the oven and sits for a few minutes, I'm going to put fresh parsley on top first. And take the foil off the top. I'm going to slide this underneath. There we go. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. So we're going to wait a couple minutes, then I'm going to put the fresh parsley on, wait a few more minutes, and then we'll try it. Okay. Now I'm going to top it with parsley. Of course, if you don't have fresh, you could use dried, but I try and use fresh as much as possible. And I'm also going to go around the outside here. I think that's a good amount. And start to loosen it a little bit. It is still too hot to eat. I don't think this is going to be a problem at all. I'm not getting any resistance.
Smells good.
It does.
Smells like pizza.
Oops, I meant to move that first, but that's okay.
Ooh, look at that.
Very cool.
That's gorgeous.
I like that little trough on this pan.
Catches the oil, yeah.
Catches any of the extra. Okay, let's see. Yes, let's see if I could get the center one out. And we're going to sit that on top.
Oh, smart.
There we go. So pizza monkey bread. That's what I made tonight. That's what we're going to try right now. And we just pull it apart. Ooh.
Ooh, look at
You're
that.
gonna dip?
Yeah, dip, yeah.
And I just put some fresh basil in there.
Mmm. Nice crunch.
Now it's just the two of us eating, so we can double dip.
Thank you for the commission.
You're welcome. Very good.
That's nice.
I like that a lot. Very tasty.
This would be fun for a party.
Oh yeah, definitely. And I think you can switch it up and use other kind of fillings. Sausage, ground beef, you know, onion, fresh garlic.
I could see a whole family tearing this apart.
Oh yeah.
Very cool.
Well, thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, because we are now going to enjoy this. We're going to see you again real soon in another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, no. I like it.
Delicious.
Mm-hmm.